Okay, so I'm going to talk about his hob elements. These can be either single, double or triple element. If it's a triple, it'll have 3 connections here, 4 connections here, 3 incoming and 1 outgoing. All 3 will connect to the same common terminal. A double will obviously have 3 terminals, and this is the single, so it's only got 2. So it comes in and goes out to the common. This is the heat sensor thermostat that controls the temperature of it. It also controls the hot light. So as soon as you turn it on and it gets to a certain heat, this will turn the heat warning light on. That's it really to test it. You just test the continuity on this one from the incoming to the common terminal. Push it to continuity, or that's a continuity 26 ohms, or you can just turn it to the ohms reading 26 ohms. So obviously that's a good element. These control the incoming power via like a switch mechanism. So I'll just try and figure this one out. Usually it's the 2 A's stick together and the 2 B's are one switch, and so basically you've got 1 A and 2 A this side. That's the switch, controls the element. And this one's the heat switch, 1B to 2B. So sorry, that's the heat light. So that'll turn on your warning light on your oven. That is about it really on them. Easy to test. Easy to replace this, replace the element, or just replace the whole lot at once.